RMD Engineering is a custom design build group. We take ideas from different people that want a solution for something, and we work with them as team members to come up with some pretty innovative solutions to their problems. We work with everything from ag companies that are developing new techniques to aerospace, defense. One of our favorite ones is Saskatchewan. We do a lot with the power production and the new types of generation that they're working on now. One of my favorite projects that we worked on was the water bombers, because it engulfs a whole bunch of things. The water bombing includes a environmentally friendly gel so that they now have a system that they can rapidly fill water bombers with an environmentally friendly product. We have a very talented core group of people here that love teaching people stuff. And whether it's teaching them computer programming or teaching them how to machine or teaching them how to do CAD/CAM work, we've got lots of people that can do that. When we find somebody that is very talented in their field, we usually hope that they want to learn something else in another field so that they can get cross-trained, so that they have a continual growth inside of this company. Saskatchewan has a bunch of different industries just inherently. So as a company, you're forced to be diverse. You're forced to live by what you've learned. We're very fortunate that opportunities keep coming. That comes with trying to find more innovative things to do and solutions, and with that comes the need for different capabilities inside your company. So in order to grow, we have these projects. In order to have the projects, we need to add capability. And again, we're very fortunate in Saskatchewan to have enough things that you can do that you can take advantage of that. So this has been 17 years and we haven't stopped growing yet. So we're not at the right size yet.